Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Sweden is so good. We'll explore the key factors contributing to its high quality of life and societal success. From its progressive social policies to its innovative economy, Sweden offers a unique model. We'll delve into how these elements combine to create a thriving and equitable nation, consistently ranking among the best globally. Get ready to discover what makes Sweden truly exceptional. Sweden's robust social welfare system is a cornerstone of its success. Parents receive 480 days of paid leave per child, promoting gender equality and family well-being. Additionally, high-quality healthcare and education are largely tax-funded, ensuring access for all citizens. Beyond social support, Sweden is an innovation powerhouse, consistently producing groundbreaking companies and technologies driven by a skilled workforce and a supportive research climate. Sweden is a global leader in environmental sustainability, with ambitious goals to achieve zero net greenhouse gas emissions by 2045. A significant portion, about 60% of its energy, comes from renewable sources. Culturally, Swedes embrace nature through allemansrätten, the right of public access, allowing everyone to roam the countryside freely. This deep connection to the environment and a strong sense of community contribute to a high overall quality of life. Sweden boasts an exceptional work-life balance, with employees typically enjoying 25 days of annual holiday. The average annual working hours are approximately 1,441, which is about 18% less than the OECD average, yet productivity remains high. This balance, combined with a strong economy and a culture of well-being, contributes to a generally content population. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to simplify your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.